Hey guys, welcome to Split. I've seen a lot of smartphone gimbals in my time, but the Hohem M7 iSteady feels like the one the rest should be calling daddy. And now that I say it, I see how that sounds. Either way, this thing brings some features which you would typically find on high-end camera gear. Let's get into it. Straight out the box, the iSteady M7 features a premium feeling carrying case. Opening it makes you feel like you're a professional about to assemble something awesome. Inside the case, you get the gimbal itself, a larger, more stable tripod attachment for those times you need to just set it up and walk away, a set of cables, one coiled USB-C to C to go from the gimbal directly to your phone, and another USB-A to C for, well, I don't know what it is really. Anyway, let's move on. The moment you pick it up, you feel high quality heft that you generally don't get from cheaper gimbals. And it's designed to be manageable, featuring access locks for each arm, 3 of them to be exact. So it isn't dancing around and flopping everywhere when you throw it in your bag. Another thing that sets this apart is how much the M7 can carry. In this case, we're talking 500 gram payload capacity, which is pretty much any phone out there, which includes the big boys like the iPhone 17 Pro Max and the Fold 7, which I've tried here. With enough extra weight carrying capacity to add rig elements like an ND filter, external drive, and microphones if you're shooting something like iPhone ProRes RAW or something. The gimbal can also act as a battery pack for your phone just in case you need extra juice to get that extra shot for the day. Next up is the magnetic AI tracking module. This is independent of your phone's software, which is huge. It means you can use the AI tracking with your native camera app or Instagram, not just the Hohem app. It tracks faces, hands, even pets. You can use simple gestures to activate it, like you give it the OK sign and the light changes to green and it starts to track you. Or you can just put up your palm to say stop, like waka, or just back off, talk to the hand. You get it, wherever you're from. The tracker also doubles as a fill light, and you can even adjust the color temperature from cool white to warm tones using the color wheel on the side. In other scenarios, the control wheel can also function as a focus puller to give you even more control of your footage in different situations. Now let's talk about the detachable remote control. As most creators know, having convenient second screen to line up your shots is phenomenal, almost essential. The detachable touchscreen remote has a 1.4-inch OLED display that not only lets you monitor or frame your shots, but also visualize modes like pan follow or AI follow without fishing for buttons. It is magnetically attached and you can just pop it off and control everything from several feet away. It has 3 main screens, each with 4 categories, and you can deep dive into each category for even more refined controls. From follow speed, to light settings, to scenario, to time lapses, to joystick and wheel function. The list just goes on and on and on. And to complete the entire mobile experience, the handle has a built-in extension pole. It basically turns the gimbal into a stabilized crane or a high-end selfie stick, which is perfect for vlogging or getting those walking shots from a distance. So yes, this is clearly not for people who just want a simple selfie stick. This is for folks who take mobile videography and photography a tad more seriously and want their output to be next level, I guess, using rigs, AI tracking, and the remote operation. And just in case if you're wondering if they have something for proper cameras like DSLR size cameras, then maybe check out their MT3 series, which just recently launched. It's just as good. Bottom line, AI tracking, 500 gram payload, very good build quality. Basically, everything you would want in a decent mobile gimbal. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I will see you all in the next one. Take care.